Obsession. This is a magic word that defines who I am. You know, when I was in India during the Gulf War, my parents left UAE because they thought, Kuwait was going to be bombarded with a nuclear bomb, Saddam Hussein and all that shit. So they left and they had gone to Mumbai, Bombay, that time it was called Char Bangla. So when I was there, I was trying to fit in with people. It was a challenge. So one day, some of them who were nice, they got me a shirt, to welcome me and all that. Not an expensive shirt, but it was a nice shirt. They gave me the shirt. And on that shirt was the word obsession. I didn't know what it meant. So I asked him, what does it mean? They all said, Loy, this is your character. Whatever you do, you become obsessed with that. So I couldn't understand what it meant. When I checked the dictionary, I found out that it's a person who goes so crazy about a particular thing that they have to, achieve or get results or whatever. They must have done it out of maybe a joke or whatever, because all of them, the obsessed character and all that. But I took it as an amazing compliment. For me, it was like, fuck, if I'm obsessed, I can achieve anything in this world. And from, that day onwards, I used to always think, shit, how can I be more obsessed? You will not believe. I literally used to ask myself, how can I be obsessed? So why am I telling you this is, today, if I am successful, it's only because of obsession. And I'll tell you this, I'm just 1% of other great people. There are so many YouTubers who are making millions. Even these irritating fellows who are there online, like you have the Jake Paul and you have the Paul brothers, you have these pranksters, you have some Russian guy who pranks people and all. We might feel that they are jobless, like even Kim Kardashian. But I'll tell you, they are so fucking obsessed. So obsessed, it's not even funny. You and I can't match their stamina for even 1%. They get up in the morning, they have their goal in mind. Throughout the day, they have their goal in mind. Meeting people, they have their goal in mind. Whatever they do, they have their goal in mind. Even before sleeping, they have their goal in mind. In fact, if they sleep with anyone else also, they have their goal in mind. Because they can't live without it. So for you, if you have to succeed, you have to be obsessed. See, like, look, for example, I've been speaking with this video for 1 hour. 1 fucking hour. Non-stop. Why? Because I'm obsessed about my goal. I forgot to tell you about that free advice. It's not I'm giving for free. I'm working on my fucking brand. I'm working on my brand and that's why it's growing. Because I'm obsessed, man. You think I'll seriously do anything for free without having an agenda back of my head? No. I know people are smarter and sharper than me. So that is why what I do is I drive fucking value. I give the maximum amount of value for which I don't get paid. And that is how, when people come to me, I can charge them the premium because I've earned that respect. Until you pay your dues, nobody will give you easy money. And that easy money or that overnight success is not because it came in easy. It was because of the grind, the fucking obsession, the madness. Even people you see with six-pack abs, or even Lance Armstrong, the cyclist, they said he took drugs and all that. All the fucking cyclists took drugs. The only reason he succeeded is because he worked harder than anyone. I can challenge you this. You give the same steroids or drugs, EPO, to another 10,000 athletes. Nobody will match Lance Armstrong because he was fucking obsessed. Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Obama, Donald Trump, all these guys are successful. They're obsessed. Whether it's a porn star, whether it's anybody, whether it's a corrupt guy, you have to be obsessed. Others, you cannot succeed.